always trigger finger out. Okay, pick it up,
Oh.
trigger finger out. Then point out. Tapos yung position nyo when you're shooting, square your...
Here, ceasefire or stop. Please put the firearm down immediately.
Yan. Yan. You go. Yeah!
Pre! Ano? Bibidyo ka na lang daw namin. Bibidyo ka na lang daw namin. Sige, tayo.
Hindi,
Tayo. Oh, tayo. Oh, good morning. Day 2. Aming tour. Ito.
Day 3 na tayo.
Ah, day 3. Sorry, day 3. Ayun, birthday ni Nick ngayon. At kami
Kailan po?
mag-ano kami? Magbabaril-barilan, guys. Magbabaril-barilan kami ngayon. Yan. Tapos ubo. Ayan. Babaril-barilan daw, pre. Oo. Tapos yun. Day 3 namin ngayon. At naku po. Maulan, guys. Maulan ngayon. Tuloy ko. Wait.
Mga atras sila. Ito mga atras.
Maulan ngayon, guys. Kaya kami yun oh. Kaya kami lahat nakapang lamig, guys. Yan. Ito, andito kami ngayon sa guys. Calgary Shooting Center. Yan. Actually, malapit lang naman siya, guys, sa bahay. No, mga 20 minutes lang. Yun. Okay. Papasok tayo. Hi. Ayun o. Oh, bueno.
Watch the video. Yeah.
So, bibidyo muna, guys.
Makinig ka dito, makinig ka.
Ang orientation natin.
Walang mag-aano ha. Bibiro.
Oo, yari tayo dyan.
Parang hindi na PCR.
Hindi, kasi baka bala talaga siya.
Oh, the speed loader? I've got mine in there. Okay, it's mine. Thank you. You can take pictures and video as much as you like.
Okay.
Number 1 rule in the range, always point the gun down the range. Tulad sabi sa video. You can point in the ceiling, you can't point it on the floor. Okay. Nasa loob na yung baril, ito na natin testing it. You can take your time on that. Birthday naman ni Navy. So.
Yes!
Tayo lang,
Birthday.
when you pick up the firearms, always trigger finger out. Okay, pick it up,
Out.
trigger finger out. Then point out. Tapos yung position nyo when you're shooting, square your body on the target. Tapos put your dominant foot slightly at the back. As lean forward, step front, go boxing. Pick up the firearms, just grip it nice and tight. Lean forward a little bit. So, just open both of eyes. Para hindi na kayo mahirapan.
Wala
Lang.
kang ganun.
Mas maganda open both of your eyes para mas madali.
Wala na
Tapos,
akala mo.
lean forward ng konti.
Paano?
You have to lean forward a little bit kasi yung recoil niya.
Hindi namin napapansin.
Ano, shot? Ano ba?
Yung kinuha natin,
Basuka.
Medyo light lang.
madali nyo lang gamitin. Like, all for beginners, pero magandang gamitin.
Okay.
The ceiling is not a safe direction.
Diba? Para mas madali.
Backstop is the only safe direction to point a firearm.
No?
Ano po yun?
Push in the front na.
If you hear ceasefire or stop, please put the firearm down immediately.
Yan. Diba? Mas madali.
Never attempt to
Okay.
retrieve items in front of the shooting booth, and never try to catch a fallen firearm.
You go. Yeah!
Di narinig ah.
No?
Hey.
Good?
Ano?
And everybody in.
Guys, wala akong naririnig. No? Kahit sila. Ano pala talaga dito?
Okay, get in, everybody in.
Hey!
Ano walang iwanan, di ba?
Kaya wala. Birthday boy muna, birthday boy. Oh.